have met actually 2021 exhibition only. In this same place, PMAC exhibition only we met. The Mr. Vinayak and Mr. Anand also. So we have started with that. We are searching actually a effervescent tablet into the tube filling. So that was our requirement. So we got the good solution from Mark Baker. It is normally we are a pharmaceutical company, formulation unit. We are running with the tablet and capsule filling area. We are actually into that tablet filling and this one multi-mill also we have taken from him. So we are looking forward FBD granulation suits also. Service support, it is excellent. So we can get it anytime. So it is very flexible people, very supportive people. So very much supporting team they have. The technology is user friendly. So easy to handle with the any person, any production in charge or whoever can do that. So that is easiest way.